Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Well, Xiaomi announced the Redmi Pad SE, and it is advertised as an affordable device for entertainment, and we're eager to see how it performs for the low price it is offered. Our unit is in the hero color lavender purple, and we also got a cover that acts as a case, as well as a stand. This Redmi Pad SE has 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, the most affordable variant, which still has all the exciting features like the big screen and battery. The chipset is a Snapdragon 680, built on the 6nm process technology. It is a fairly old platform, as it arrived in early 2021, but we don't expect a powerhouse in this price category. In fact, this could be a great SoC for the Redmi Pad SE. We'll know for sure once we go through our regular tests and benchmarks. Our first impressions from the performance are the UI is smooth, and the 90Hz could prove itself worthy when browsing or using the native player. Speaking about the user interface, Xiaomi introduced MIUI Pad 14, which is an adapted version of MIUI 14 for big screens. The apps feel native and not stretched. Video also looks good. The 11-inch LCD is certified for low blue light, meaning it would be a great device for reading and learning. In theory, it can reach 400 nits and 1500:1 contrast, but once again, we have to use our own tools to determine how authentic these results are in real-life scenarios. There are 4 speakers with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio support. Place 2x2 on the right and left side when held horizontally, and we are quite happy to see a 3.5mm audio jack. After all, not everyone who buys a €200 tablet can also afford wireless earphones. The battery has an 8000 mAh capacity, which sounds promising for an endurance test. However, it is rated for 10W, meaning it would take some time for the cell to get from 0 to 100% with the charger provided in the box. This is rather disappointing because we know Xiaomi could provide a faster rate. There is one Redmi Note 11 with the same chip that comes with 33W fast charging through PD 3.0. The tablet also comes with 2 cameras, although we are not the people who will endorse taking photos with an 11-inch device. That's it guys, if you are new here please subscribe, like and share. See you on my next video. Peace out.